guys, Tsahi here, back again with another protective style using braiding hair. I got the inspiration from CHEV, another talented YouTuber. Check her out, she is the bomb. I'll link her video that I got this inspiration from. So basically it's a hairstyle that does not require actual braiding, even though I'm using braiding hair, which you'll see here is the 84-inch Canicolon braiding hair. What I'm doing is braiding my own hair, and then I'm going to crochet the hair into my braids. I had to cut it, 84 inches was way too long. So you see I'm crocheting the hair piece by piece down the braid, as opposed to feeding in the braids, which I don't know how to do. So this is supposed to be an easy alternative to feeding braids. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm actually braiding my own hair, and then I'm going to connect it with the braiding hair as I go down. The only issue is that braiding hair that I decided to use was not the business. It was tangling so badly. You'll see the frustration very soon. So even with all that tangling, by some miracle, I was able to finish this braid all the way down. I wanted to cry at this point. But then I was like, okay, I finished the first braid, on to braid number 2. But then it reached halfway, and then
the next day.
mission was aborted. On to day number 2. So the only difference is I added Blue Magic as a sealer for my hair before I put in the braid. So instead of using that hair, I decided to try this brand, which is the Supreme Super X braiding hair, which is pre-stretched, and it comes in bundles, so it's easier to manipulate, and as you can see, my fingers are running through it easily. So when I started, I could easily tell that this was going to be more of a breeze. So I'll show you the process, and of course I was able to finish that braid very easily and very fast. But this second one was the test. So take it in, guys.
Hey Kiegs, big artist boy.
Me boy, I just trying that thing.
Nah, I see you performing all over the place, dog. You get through.
Boy, the people were so caparang, so I giving it to them. But it's still pressure.
Pressure? What you mean?
Hear this. Last year for Christmas I had a plan to start to sing so caparang. I realized that it's not easy. Everybody who called me to perform, they say I could stay and sing all night long, but they have no money to give me. So I decide I have to sell something on the side to try to make money. So every time as I done performing, you could see me trying to selfie me. Up in Princeton, I perform all around, but it seems like nobody ever pay me. I went for the spin and then down in Point 40, but it seems like nobody ever pay me. Baby, 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 nobody ever pay me.
Yo, like, did it. Relief. It was just to finish the rest of that braid, and I was so happy and proud of myself. So that brings us to the end of this video. To just finish up, I just did my edges, putting in some accessories. I curled the ends like you all saw by dipping the braid in hot water. And that is basically it. I would say that I did that. I was successful in attempting this hairstyle, and I challenge you to try something new and try doing it yourself. And I hope you really enjoyed this. I would really appreciate you coming back, subscribing. Please click the notification bell, guys. That's how you'll know when I upload. You'll never miss a thing. And season's greetings to you all, and I shall see you all in the next one. Take care. Bye.
Hey, Kiegs, big artist, boy.
Me boy, I just trying that thing.
Nah, I see you performing all over the place, dog. You get through.
Boy, these people were so kaparang, so I giving it to them. But it's still pressure.
Pressure? What you mean?
Hear this. Last year for Christmas I had a plan to start to sing so kaparang. I realized that it's